Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I have such an adorable and fun product to try out. This is from ColourPop and it's one of their Super Shock shadows, which I absolutely love. But this is the Cinderella, the Disney princess version in the shade A Dream is a Wish Your Heart Makes. I can't get over this packaging and this beautiful blue shade. I am so excited to try this out. And look at the pretty two-tone pink packaging. It has the carriage, the pumpkin carriage in gold on the lid there. I think this is so cute. But so I love the ColourPop Super Shock shadows. They are creamy, blendable, pigmented. So I love to collect these. And they're so inexpensive. They cost $6 and they come in so many shades. Endless shades. Any shade you could want. Like maybe this icy light blue. Let's go ahead and swatch it. Oh my gosh, these just have the most amazing creamy texture. I love it. And yeah, this is looking very silvery of a blue. Like it almost doesn't look blue in the swatch, doesn't it? Just look like a light silver compared to the pan. But very pretty. It's a little bit more sheer than I was expecting, and it has a lot of glow, but no sparkle, just that metallic sheen that I'm like, when I blend it out, it's actually like a really pretty highlight shade. It gives really pretty glow, like a really wet skin effect. Should I try this on my cheek? You know, that's what these videos are for having fun with the products, seeing what kind of use I can get out of them, and I'm just going to go for it. I'm going to pick up a little bit on my finger here. Like it's not fully opaque, that it almost seems like it should be kind of blended out. I mean, it's looking pretty blue, but I really think this could work as a highlight. Let me know, does that look too blue? Maybe like for an occasion where I want that more like holographic glow, like a going out kind of look. But it seriously is beautiful on the skin. So reflective, so smooth and creamy. I might do that. I might wear this as a highlighter for going out sometime. Not the most natural look, but it's really fun. And it gives that skin some glow. Probably not the intention of this, but why not? Also, I was thinking I could maybe throw some into the crease with a brush, because I like to do that with these shadows so then it's lighter in the crease, and then I do all over the lid with my finger so that it's more pigmented. But I don't know how well this is going to work with a brush. We'll see if it shows up, but I think this might have to be a diffused highlighter or just like applied with my finger. But for the fun of it, I've got to see. Yeah, like it's just so sheer. No color. When I diffuse it with the brush like this, you can't even see it. I was expecting this to be a little bit more opaque and pigmented, but that's okay. We've already found one good use for it. Let's see how it looks all over the lid if I apply it with my finger. I hope it's not too sheer. It's okay, but if I'm going to be using this type of shade, like a light silver or a light blue metallic shimmer, I'm gonna want a fully opaque, vibrant version of this shade because it's just too bland to wear on the eye when it's not opaque or it's not glittery. It just kind of looks like a bad quality eyeshadow when it's this sheer. So I really think that my best use out of this is going to be for a highlight. Maybe, let's see if I just use this as an eye highlight for the brow bone. Yes. Oh, that looks great. Because then I do want it to be more sheared out, but still reflective. I love how that looks as a brow highlight. I'm going to try picking up a little bit more as an inner corner highlight. Yes. That works because it is light and bright enough. And I almost feel like you have to be looking for that blue tint to even notice it. But this would be a great highlighter to use with like a cooler toned eyeshadow look, or like a blue and a purple eyeshadow look to really complement those colors. And now, just for the fun of it, I like want my eyes to match for some reason, even though this is just playing around with the product. But like, what do we think about it? All over the lid. Yeah, it just doesn't do enough. I like it as the highlighter, but if I'm going to wear this shade on my eyes, I'm just not liking how it looks. So if you have any other ideas for uses of this icy blue silver highlighter type of shade, let me know in the comments down below. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.